A blocked or stopped indoor blower is often why an air conditioner stops blowing air inside the house. Start by checking the simplest points first. Confirm the thermostat fan setting is set to fan on and the temperature set point calls for airflow. Inspect the air filter and replace it if it is dirty, because a clogged filter can restrict or stop airflow and cause the indoor coil to freeze. Listen at the air handler for motor noise or lack of motor noise. A failed indoor fan motor or seized bearings will produce grinding or nothing at all and requires motor replacement or capacitor testing. Verify the blower capacitor, because a weak or open capacitor can prevent the fan from starting even when the motor is sound. You can test it with a multimeter that measures capacitance or swap with an identical known good unit. Examine visible ductwork near the air handler for disconnections or crushed sections that can dump air into unconditioned spaces and reduce supply to living areas. Reattach or repair seams with foil tape and re-support collapsed runs. If the indoor coil is frozen from restricted airflow or refrigerant issues, turn off the compressor and run the fan only until the coil thaws, then replace the filter and check refrigerant system performance to prevent repeat icing. Common mistakes include replacing the motor before ruling out the capacitor or simple power issues. So, first check line voltage and capacitor health to avoid unnecessary cost. Another frequent issue is assuming the outdoor unit is at fault when ducts are disconnected. Inspect attic or crawl space ducts and seal loose joints to restore airflow. People also misdiagnose a frozen coil as a fan failure. If the coil is ice covered, let it thaw and correct the root cause, such as a dirty filter or low refrigerant, rather than swapping the blower immediately. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to heating and cooling repairs. We also host an active discussion community where users and pros share real-world tips and troubleshooting steps so we can all solve problems faster.